Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will complete ICT paper 2, May-June 2023, variant 2. In the previous video, we solved the word partition or the word task. Today we will solve the database. The link you can find the link in the description. Okay, database, you are going to prepare some reports using database software to import the file j2322race.csv. Use this file names and these types. Set web underscore number as a primary key. Save your data. Okay. Now we'll open Access. Create blank database. Let's put this database in our work area with name June 23 variant 2. Okay, create. On the table, right click, import text file, browse, and go to our work area. Select the file race. Okay. Make sure that the date is day, month, year. Change this from here, day, month, year. Okay. Next, first row contain field names. Next, and the primary key is web underscore number. Next, finish. Okay. Now we can close table 1. Open race in design view, and let's adjust the requirements. Here we have 3 numbers. This number have 0 decimal places, and this number have 0 decimal places. This number has 3 decimal places. The date and time has a format HMM and SS. Okay. The first number, I'll go to decimal places, change it from 0 to 0. The second number, I'll change format from 0 to 0. Third number, I'll change it the decimal place from 0 up to 3. The date and time, I write on the format HH colon MM colon SS. Okay, and then save. Okay, save the data. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field's name, data type, and primary key used in the table. When we take the screenshot, we need to be sure that this key, this yellow key, are be shown, and the data and data type, the field names and data type. Copy and go to open our evidence. Okay. As I solve this will be the data in your evidence or the screenshot. Okay. Close. Back to exam. Import the file j2322 clubs.csv as a new table in your database. Set all data types to text. Set club ID as a primary key. Okay. Right click, import text file, browse. I select clubs. Okay. Adjust the date order to day, month, and year. Okay. Next, set row contains field names. First row. Next, and the primary key will be club ID. Next, finish. Okay. Right click to the club and view in design view and take screenshot to the field names and the type showing the key. Okay, and place it in your evidence. Okay. create one-to-many relationship between club ID in the clubs table and club code in the race table. Place in the evidence document screenshot showing the fields and the data type relationship. Okay, I'll go to database tools, relationships, and I'll select the two tables, add, close. I'll take the one as a primary key. It is a unique value here, club ID with the many club code in the race table. This is the one-to-many relation. Enforce reflection integrity and create the relation. Okay. Now we need to double click over this relation and take all this as a screenshot, the tables with the relation, and we be sure that this one-to-many is appeared in your screenshot, and copy this screenshot and put it in your evidence. Okay. Okay. Create a communal database form, data entry form. We need to create a data entry form with all the fields of the race table to display one record at a time. Apply two different formatting. Okay, let's start by creating the form on the race table. Okay, I'll choose race and create query, create form. Not this. Let's take create form wizard. Okay. On the race table, I'll select all the data. Next, it is columnar. Okay. Next, and finish. Okay. In the exam, he asked me to apply two different formatting features to this form to improve the design. To improve the design, we need to adjust white spacing and the data entry spacing and the font and the titles and so on. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. Open the form in the design view. I'll make this a meaningful title, data race or race data. I'll make it in black and bold. Minimize this, and we can put this on the middle of the form. Fully visible. Make it fully visible. Make it center aligned. Okay. When we have a look at the form, this cells is very wider to take this data. Okay, design view. I'll select all this data entry and go to arrange and sizes and spacing. I'll make it to the not to the short, to the narrowest. Control it now to the shortest. This something like this. Okay, and I'll make the white space by using horizontal, vertical, equal vertical. Okay. Then these data, these fields are very wider. I'll select them and make them something like this. Okay. And this data too is very wider. We can select them by using this tool and make it as an arrowst, something like this. Okay. These titles are wider too. Make it something like this and make it as a board. or as a black. Okay. Let's take this here and align all these fields in the left. Go to the arrange, align to the left. Okay. Can minimize this page, but adjust the title in the center. Something like this. Save and form view. That's it. Okay. This some fields align to right, some to left. I'll make them all to left. Go to design view. Select all data entry fields. And from home, select left align. Save and view form. And that's it. Okay. Back to exam. Use the created the form created in step 18 to add the following data as a new record in the list table. Okay, I'll take them as a copy and paste, but in your exam you can't copy and paste. Just be sure that the data is accurate 100%. The capital letters as a caps, and the small letter is small. Control C, I'll go to here and go to new record, this new blank record, and Control V, tab, terms, tab, tab, 1208, tab, year of birth, tab, LBF ratio, tab, race time, tab, grand veteran, tab, 80 up to 89, tab, finally, female, tab. Place in your evidence document a screenshot of the form with the new record display as shown in the formatting features in step 18. Okay, I'll save data and take screenshot with this form and the record added to the data. Take care here. I need to apply that this record number now is 302, not 301. That means this record will be added. Take this as a copy and put this in your evidence. Okay. Back to exam. Using the fields from both table to produce tabular report, select. Here we need to talk a little about the reports. The reports we have to create query in the first place, and then create this the record. Okay, we'll make this criteria after creating the query. We need to put these fields in that order. So I'll go to create query design, and I'll select the two tables, add them. Okay, and I'll add the fields in order. First name, last name, gender. First name, last name, then gender. Category, area, country. Category, area, country. And race time in this order. And race time. Okay. With data and labels displayed in full, don't group the data. Okay, let's put our criteria. The area ends with the text land. So the area in criteria will be asterisk lang. Okay. Category is junior or master. Okay. Category is junior or master. Okay, let's run this. This record will be 32. That's good. Save. Design view. Okay. Now we need to create our report. Let's make this later. Sort the data into ascending. We don't make the sorting when we create the report, because if you sort the data within the record, this will change the order of these fields. Page orientation as a portrait fits in a single page, and this the title. Okay, let's close this query, and I'll create a form wizard for the data in query 1. I'll take all fields in this order. Next, there is no group. If I put the club, it will be grouped. I'll make it as a race, as there is no group required. Next, there is no ascending from here. Don't make the ascending from here, or you will change the order of the fields. We will make the sorting from inside the report. Next, this orientation is portrait. Next, and finish. Okay, let's adjust the report design view or form view, layout view. Layout view will select the field title, then press shift and the data. Adjust the white. Make sure that the data are fully visible. Okay. Then last name. Make sure that the data are fully visible. There is no data headings. I'll move the column by arrow. Gender is a very wider. Move it by arrow. Category is very wider. Use the arrow to move. Area. Be sure that you adjust for the tallest area place. Okay, something like this. You need to make it wider. Move it by arrow. Country. Adjust it to the wider one. And move by arrow. This time, make it wider to be fully visible, and move it inside the one range. We need to make our report inside these dotted lines. Okay. Include only the title, master and junior outcomes displayed in the large font size, fully visible on the top of the page. Okay. So the title will be master and junior outcomes. Go to design view, make it black, then something wider, bold, enlarge it to be to make it fully visible. We don't need these fields, delete them. You can make them these labels as a black. Okay. Has your name, center number, count number on the report? Okay. I'll go to design, select label, and I'll put it on the page. I'll write my name, center number, and print number. Make it bold, make it black and left aligned. Save and print your report. Okay, file, save, report view. Be sure that all data are fully visible and my data at the end of the page. Print out. This is the print preview. Okay, I'll select print. In your exam, you will print it to the printer, but here I'll print to the as a PDF to check the output. I'll name it something like 2. Save. Now in work area, this 2 file. This our report. Master and junior outcome. All the data are fully visible. My data inside are appeared at the end of the report. Okay. Go to the last statement or last question in this video. Use fields from both table to produce tabular data report that select records where this is the criteria. Let us contain our fields contain the new field code. Let us do this after inserting the fields have to be shown. Show only the fields bibnum, number, gender, year of birth. Okay, let's create a new query. Load this report and create a query wizard or a query design. Select the two tables, add them. Okay. Now let's insert our fields which we need. Show only the fields bibnum, gender, year of birth, bibnum, gender, year of birth, and category LBF ratio. Okay. Category LBF ratio. Club name, country, club name and country. Okay. Race time. And LBF unit, which we need to calculate here in this order. Okay. To make this expression, LBF uplift, which is calculated in runtime. This field will be calculated the race time multiplied by LBF ratio. Format this field to display in time HMS. Okay. So I'll make here a new field. Let's save query 2 first. Okay. Now, if we build from the query 2 fields, I'll need LBF ratio multiplied by race time, multiplied by LBF ratio. Okay. Open this again. We can delete this expression one and put the title, which LBF uplift. This will be the label. Okay. Go to property sheet and be sure that we select this field. Yes. And put the format as HH colon MM colon SS. Okay. Run. This is the new field. Is race time multiplied by LBF ratio and in the format of race time. Okay, save. Design view. Now we need to select the criteria. Here he put a criteria for the country code. At the same time, country code field is not is having to be shown in this report. This is not on this fields. Okay, so I'll select the country code or country code. I'll select country code, but I'll remove this right mark to make it disabled and put the criteria that this country code is GPR. Okay, the second criteria, that is year of birth is 1960 or earlier, which means less than. I'll go to year of birth and make the criteria less than or equal 1960. Okay, let's run this report, this query. 42 record, that's good. Go to design view. Okay. Now we need to start to make our report. Sort the data. We'll make the sorting after creating the report. Okay. Orientation is landscape, single white page, and this the label. Okay. So close query 2 and create a report wizard. Our data will be selected from query 2. Next, take all fields. Next, there is no grouping. Next, we'll make the sorting from inside the report. Next, the report in landscape. Next, and finish. Okay. Here we forgot to make the array, the sorting in the previous question, with sorting ascending order of category. So let me open the race report. Okay, let's first finish this report. Make it in the design view, layout view. Okay, gender, adjust. Make it the pip number wider. Year of birth, it's good. Category, be sure that all data are fully visible. Use the arrow. LBF ratio. Club name, which is fine. Country. Make it smaller. All data are visible. Okay. This time, it's fine. LBF, the new record, sorry, the new field. It's here. That's good. Okay, let's make the sorting here. In the design, we go to design, sort and group. Here he asked me to sort data into ascending order of country. Okay, I'll make the sort of country ascending from A on top, and then descending order of LBF ratio. Okay, add sort for LBF ratio, descending, no, from largest to smallest, descending order. These are the two sorting. Save. Let's check report view. Category. No, country, yeah, England, North, and inside the country, LBF ratio 9987 descending. That's good. Okay. Design view. Include only the title, GPR category results, displayed in the larger font size, fully visible at the top of the page. Okay. This will be our title. Make it black, something wider and fully visible. Okay. We don't need these fields. Okay. Calculate the longest race time and place this at the end of the report. At the end of the report, so we need to put it in the report footer, not the page footer. He needs the longest race time. Right aligned with the race time of race time column with the label longest race time. Okay. I'll go to design, include here and say equal maximum max of what of the field race time. Okay, select this field and the race time. Shift select race time. Go to arrange, align to right. This align to right. The label will be longest race time on the left. Make it black. 12. Okay. Has your name, center number, count number in the footer of the report, so it appears at the same position of every page. To make it on every page, we will put the label in the page footer, and I write my data. Make it black, right align, and bold. Okay. Save and print your report. I'm going to save, print preview. This is the report. Okay. And my data in every page. Okay, let's print as a PDF. Okay. Make it at 3. We replace 2 now. At 3. Save. Let's have a look on this report. 3. These 2 papers, all data are fully visible. The title is fine. My data in every page and the longest trace time need to be put as a right align to be to come as a right in right align with this column. Okay, let's do it again. Design, make this as a right align. Okay, file save and file print preview, print the PDF, make it overwrite our file 3. Okay, now open this report, and that's it, and it's right aligned with the style. Okay, let's prepare the report race. Open the race on the design format, on the design view. Here in the race, we need to sort the data ascending order to get a category. Okay, I'll go to group and sort, add sort, category as an ascending order. Yes, ascending order to category. A on the top, file save. So print preview, print as a PDF. In your exam, you'll print to the printer, replace the report 2. Now, when we open 2, category are sorted from junior, then master, and that's it. Okay. Listener evidence screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the longest trace time. So you need to, in the race 1, open in design view, take a screenshot for this calculation, copy this and put it in your evidence. And this will be your evidence, something like this. Okay, close. And this is that's the end of the database part. Next video, we'll solve the presentation task. If you like this video, please support my channel by like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next video.